Hey guys.
Hey! So you guys might remember from our empty house tour, we have a bedroom upstairs that we weren't sure what we were going to do with when we moved in.
I think originally it was going to be like a workout room, and we all know that workout rooms don't ever get used.
Yeah, not by us. We've never had one, so we don't really know.
But we found the perfect thing to use it for, and that is my man cave.
/ office.
So we're building out this room right now, and I am really happy with how it's going so far. For those of you guys who watched our media room reveal, we did a whole series on those, so you can check those out if you haven't already. We designed that room in a way that we really liked, but ultimately decided that it needed to be a little bit bigger for the size of the room. So we upgraded it with a projector and some more theater chairs.
Yeah, we started with what, was it a 77-inch?
Yeah, so we had a 77-inch OLED TV in this room. And so what we decided to do is take that TV, rather than just throwing it in the trash can, putting it in my man cave / office.
In the media room, we also had about 250 Nanoleaf lights, and so it was only logical to move those with the TV into the man cave as well.
So below the TV, we also had an IKEA console, and we ended up moving that as well. So pretty much anything that was on that wall as the room used to look, now got transported to my office.
So what we have going on in the office, we want really clean lines in there, kind of a fun, modern feel. So the Nanoleaf lights are perfect in there. We have a lot of other things planned that we'll tell you about later in the video too.
Yeah, I really like the modern aesthetic. In fact, I wanted to push it like to the depths of Tron. I thought it looked so cool to do that. So we're starting with what we have in there. We're heading in the right direction. So I use my office primarily for editing videos and just the other work stuff I do. I also occasionally like to play games in there. So that TV that I have in there, I can use for playing games, which I have my PC hooked up to. I also like to use it for napping. I'm just kidding. I've never taken a nap up there. I'm always working.
So the first things we did in the room, hung the TV, hung the console. Those were pretty simple. But the Nanoleaf lights, those took quite a bit of time to put up.
You did. It's funny, we did this once before and you almost forget what it's like. But when you put 250 of these lights up with the adhesive and you're linking them together, it can take a lot of time. Do you want the honors of putting this first square on?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do the next 259. Of course, the payoff is amazing, but
yeah, they're so worth it.
It is. And they do have an app that assists you to let you know how to lay out the squares. So without that, I think it'd be probably impossible with this many lights.
Yeah, it's like a big jigsaw puzzle. It is fun though. Like once we get going, I quite enjoy it actually.
Amanda loves helping me design my man cave. So we build man caves together forever. So it took us 2 nights to do this. The first night, I think we were up until 3:30 in the morning because we do have kids, and so that's the only time you can do this. We are officially halfway. So just one more night until 3 a.m. and then it'll be done. The second night, we did finish it, complete it, and got it all done. Okay, so it's night number 2, and we have officially finished the installation of all 250 Nanoleafs. And I have to say, it wasn't near as bad this time. Like, I think we're getting pretty good at it.
Me and you, we make a good team. The 13 years of marriage prepared us to hang the Nanoleafs on the wall.
Yes. So this is the big moment I've been looking forward to. I'm gonna play a video that I filmed when we were at Disneyland in Galaxy's Edge. Here it goes, the big reveal of the Nanoleaf man cave setup.
Activate the canvas lights in the man cave.
Okay, the man cave is on.
Whoa! Okay, here it goes. What do you think?
I think it was worth it. I think you've got a super sweet man cave.
My favorite things about those lights is it just creates such a cool, modern aesthetic. I know most people aren't gonna need 250 lights to create this mood, but having these lights in this space, you turn them on, it's like the most glorious, happy feeling I've ever felt. Okay, so now we're gonna do the light test with my voice. This is a really important one. So you notice as I talk, the lights move. And I talk loud, they really move a lot. All right, Amanda, you're up. You get to sing.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray.
It kind of transports you into like this sci-fi world of make-believe and magic.
Well, especially because it mirrors what's on the screen, so then you can see all the colors mirrored on the wall outside of it. So it is really immersive.
Yeah, so another thing is I was playing Warzone with my buddy last night. Amanda won't play with me. She doesn't even know what Call of Duty is. I sent him this video of what it looks like to play a game with these Nanoleafs connected to the TV. What he said to me was, holy cow, this is so amazing, Shaye. This is incredible. This is the most amazing thing I've ever seen. Yeah, so it really is a cool effect how it links to the TV, especially if you're playing games, I think. I think movies might get a little distracting, but when you're playing a game, it does really add to the ambiance.
Does it make you feel like an assassin? Or are you just like, boom, 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 boom?
No. Amanda, what's your favorite game?
I don't play any of them because I'm terrible at them and I'm too competitive. So I end up
Freaking out.
So we've got some future plans with this room. We need to get a rug down. We need to get some seating in there. And we also need to design the back wall of the room.
Yeah, we're also trying to decide if we're gonna keep the desk I currently have just sitting there right now. If we keep it, we're probably gonna paint it white or do something. I just really want that clean, modern Tron look, if it's possible.
Like you're a sci-fi man.
Okay. Okay, I just really want this to have this modern, sleek design. So whatever it takes to do that, we're gonna do it. So that means painting, tearing walls down, rebuilding a new home, whatever it takes, we're gonna get the space.
Just see what I have to live with.
This was a lot of fun. We can't wait to show you part two. Part two will be the final rebuild of the room, of course. Like I said, for now, we just got that front wall. That was probably the hardest part. Getting the TV up, getting the entertainment center, and then of course putting up those Nanoleafs. Now the magic happens with tying that all into the rest of the space, so.
Yeah.
Also, I want to mention that I reached out to Nanoleaf. We had a lot of people who asked us about our Nanoleafs in our last videos, and I asked them about getting a promo code for you guys, and they are willing to offer a promo code for 10% off. So if you use our promo code SCOTTS10, you will get 10% off the Nanoleaf products on their website. So be sure to use that, use the links we have in the description, and let me know if you have any questions about those lights or anything else in the room.
This has been a fun one, and I was thinking about your man cave in our last house. You had some RGB lights in there. You wanted the same like kind of modern vibe. This is just like a souped up version of that where we've got to really do something fun.
And I'm pretty sure he's slaying some dragons right now. Babe, do you feel powerful?
Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for following us. We'll see you.
Bye.
Deactivate man cave.
Don't zoom in on my face, please.
I'm not.
I can see you zoom.
I'm not. How can you tell I'm zoomed in?
I see your stupid fingers.